Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video you will learn that how to find the file that your OBS studio just have saved after pressing the stop recording button. So this is not a complex process, as I mentioned in the previous video that its interface is pretty simple to use, so you will not face any difficulty in finding the saved video. So let's open the OBS studio and let me show you the location where OBS studio is supposed to save the file once you press the stop recording button. So here you can see that it has opened the interface. So first you will have to press the start recording. It will show like starting recording, and once it has started recording, then you will have to press the stop recording button here, and once you have pressed the stop recording button, then it will save this video on a specific location. So what is that location? You will have to simply click on file and settings, and once you click on files and settings, then here you can see output. So in the output, this location is mentioned where OBS studio is saving your videos. So simply you can copy this path, or you can directly click here on this path, and you can go to the location where it is saving your videos. I hope this will help you. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye.